What's up everybody, Devin up here and I'm back, and today I'm going to be reviewing, yes, the iPad Pro. I luckily got mine. Quick rundown, when I ordered it, supposed to come on the 25th on release day, of course. I got real scared. It was talking about April 1st or 21st and I was like, of course. And suddenly it was like, never mind, we're coming the next day. So I was like, thank you. I paid extra money for it so it can come on release day, and voila, I got it. Great, so let's get into it. Here we go. It looks nice and beautiful. Nice wrapping. Apple always does a good job with this wrapping. So let's take this apart. So easy. Until this part. There we go. Alright, so first open it up. The iPad right here. Let's take off this sheet. Alright, so this is the iPad Pro. This is the 11-inch. Let's talk about the box. Designed by Apple in California. Let's take this off. iPad Pro, small little guide, power button, volumes, smart connectors, safeties, terms and conditions, stickers of course, got your iPad charger, USB Type-Cs, and of course now you got your fast charger right here, and that's it. Now, let's get this started and turned on. All right, I'm back. I had to charge it a bit to turn it on. So let's get started. All right, so the setup security is still the same. You still have your Face ID. You know, once you get started, you just place your face in the middle. You just move all around in a circle, just like that, as you see. It's done. And next, we're gonna do it again while you're facing me. Just in a circle, just like that. Your same password options, it can be 6 or 4. Same as previous. You can also restore from previous backups or from a PC or from an Android device, or you can just skip the transfer. So right now, since we're doing this as an example, just gonna skip everything. All right, so same as previous generations. When you put your passcode in, you still got to put in the code, the 6-digit code in to continue. All right, and once you put in the 6-digit code, that should be it. It's gonna set up and it's gonna continue. Still look nice and amazing, nice and vibrant, great colors. Same layout, same display, same everything. We're gonna talk about everything, the inside, the outside, the apps, what it can do, and let's have some fun with this. All right, so the iPad Pro has the new A12Z chip inside of it. And with that, it's upgraded from its last model, the A12X chip, updated, faster, relatively fixed it. Now, is it a big change, like in speed-wise and process-wise? May not be that much of a difference, but the A12Z chip allegedly is supposed to just fix all the bugs, tweaks and issues that it had in the past. Another big change is that it has the new camera. Right here you have the 12 megapixels wide angle and you have the 12 megapixel ultra wide angle right here. And also you have your standard zoom also. All right, so as you guys can actually see myself, and we're gonna go to the options right here. This is actually the selfie mode, of course. So you got portrait mode, you got the square mode, panorama, of course, video mode, you got the slow-mo mode, and you got the time lapse. So let's go back. Photo. See, some of the selfie video options or the selfie mode options only have a few limited options where it kicks back to the back camera mode. But while it's here, I can show you some nice things. It has the flash, of course. You have the time option. You got the live and the live mode on. If you know about that, if you hold it down, like a picture with a small second video, like 1 to 2 seconds long. And also you can focus on yourself. Simple, basic. If you're actually comparing this and the Galaxy S Tab that just came out, I'm gonna show you a side-by-side comparison of the two cameras. So this on the left is actually Galaxy Tab S quality, and on the right side is the Apple quality on the new iPad Pro. So what do you guys think, and which camera do you like better? Comment down below what you like better. So with this right here also, you have your emoji messages. As you see, you can pretty much play around with it, create yourself, and boom. What's next I liked about the new iPad, it's coming up with its own new accessories, a mouse, and also you can actually now attach a keyboard with this, but it's supposed to stand. That's kind of why they're saying it's going into that computer mode, but it doesn't act like a computer. These doesn't have the specs and data and chips inside of it that a real computer can have to survive the long run. Like if you were to use this for school purposes, this is perfect. But if you're gonna use this as like a business, like starting out, that's great. But down on the long run, about 2 years, we need that heavy duty processing work. It's gonna break down on you, it's gonna slow down, the battery's gonna fry, it's not gonna last too long. And so it's kind of like a short-term computer. So they're right and they're wrong, in my opinion, at the same time. But you guys judge. Comment down below what you guys think about that. So it has the looks and likes of the computer. It just can't replace it. We got to get into the audio. Let's play some music. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so as you see right here, the iPad actually has 4 speakers, 2 right here and 2 on the opposite side for that surround sound. So when it's facing you, you can just hear the sound just coming towards you while you're facing it. And so we're gonna play some music and be right back.
Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me through the edge. I go back sometimes.
All right, so this LiDAR mode, aka this AR mode, I'm not really too familiar with it, but I can kind of show you some examples of what it can do. Now, it's still kind of brand new. We don't really know too much about it, but I'm gonna kind of give you some examples of what it can do. So here we go. As you see, if it goes up, you can add how tall you want it, how short you want it. This is more for like landscaping or so. Yeah, as you see, you got the dimensions and stuff. And so yeah, that's pretty much what it is. And you can move around and do some stuff to it. All right, another thing about LiDAR mode is you can pretty much just draw stuff. You know, this is pretty much what it is. Like you can just move stuff around and it'll stay there. It's one of them kind of things. It's like a 3D-ish kind of things, more for like playing around or whatever. Also, it's really, really good for architects, 3D planners. Really perfect for them if you're into that. As you see, it's like some kind of Sims kind of thing. Like you kind of, you know, control the stuff. Galaxy had that first, and Apple stole it, and I don't care, because what Apple steals, we do better. Hey, I'm just saying, you can't get mad because we do better. I'm sorry, it is what it is. This is supposed to last 10 hours. I want to say if you're casually using this, this can go the whole day. Like a phone, you don't really have much to worry about. But if you're constantly on it, watching movies, surfing the web, it's supposed to say 9 to 8 hours of battery life. And that's a pretty good thing of just constantly using it. That's a long time. What do you guys think about that? That's it. This is Devin up here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe, follow my Instagram, Twitter. I'm also doing Q&As, more in-depth questions you guys have about this iPad. This is kind of like a brief setup, unboxing, and if you guys have any more questions, I'm going to answer it in my next video. It's going to be my Q&A. So comment down below if you have any questions, anything like that I can look into, and I'll answer my next questions. Also, the giveaway is going to be my next video also. So if you're watching this, by the time I should get to 100, and by that I'm going to do my 100 giveaway. It's going to be a Q&A. Inside of it, it's going to be 3 winners. And you just got to see who wins. So, alright. Comment for a chance to win. That's all you got to do. Comment for a chance to win. All right, this is Devin Up. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching me, following me along. You guys see I'm growing, and I really appreciate it. I want to have fun with this community, and you know, just whatever. So I'm out.